Four beautiful entry and then four beautiful gardens. It would be perfect significance of the Taj Mahal, which is for the VIP entrance.
Para que grupito que está adelante.
इजीली वापस आएगा मिल जाएगा ये अंदर होता है बड़ा साइज का फोटो देखिए 70 रुपीज़ का 6x कैसे इनका पॉइंट रहता है ऐसे आप यहाँ से दिखाएगा ताजमहल ताजमहल का टोटल एरिया इज़ 42 एकड़। ताजमहल जो बनाया द मेमोरी ऑफ मुमताज़, शाहजहां ने अपनी थर्ड बेगम नेम इज़ मुमताज़। बिकॉज यू कैन आप अंदर जाएंगे ना द इन साइड ओनली फॉर द टू टॉम्स, वन किंग वन क्वीन, नेम इज़ शाहजहां एंड मुमताज़। बिकॉज शाहजहां एंड मुमताज़ दे लव ईच अदर इज़ वेरी मच। दिस इज़ ओनली फॉर द ताज महल, but the Mughal time this is for the real name is Rozai Mumtaz Mahal, but now the name is changed just for like a Taj Mahal because the British people are came change for the name just for the Taj Mahal. Taj means crown, Mahal means palace. Mumtaz, this is died 7 June 1631 in Burhanpur. Burhanpur, Agra to Burhanpur distance is 1000 km far from here. But the two wives, first and second, no children. But Mumtaz has 14 kids, 1-4. But during time she died. But the Mumtaz is very young lady that time, 39 years old. She died, reason of 14 kids. But during time 8 kids she died. Just only alive 6, 4 sons, 2 daughters. Dara Shikoh, Suza, Murad, Aurangzeb. 4 sons, 2 daughters, Jahanara, Roshanara. 2 daughters. They all Mughals king living from in Agra Fort. Agra Fort is 2 km far from here. And this is for the 2 buildings are there. One is the right, one also left side. That is for the use in that time water palace. Now you can see the fountain are there. This is for the old time fountains. But in that time no electricity. They start from the pressure systems. But now the electricity on switch on, then fountain they started. And this is for the main Taj Mahal, for the white one. Because the Taj Mahal, just I told you just for like a mirror image. Because in this is for the wonder of the world. You can see any side. Now you can see the front, the same exactly back side, same also left and same also right side. The 4 side all are same thing. Because the main architecture they came from Turkish. The name of Ustad Muhammad Isha Khan Afandi, main architecture for the Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is the height 243 feet, 81 meter. And this is for the best quality marble they use in only this Taj Mahal. But this is for the marble they came from in Rajasthan. Rajasthan, this is part of the India. There is one small district name is Makrana. Makrana is 280 km far from here. Because in that time the marble bring to Makrana. Because in that time no vehicles, the help of animals. They use in that time 1000 elephant, 3000 camel and 5000 horses. Then marble bring there and 20,000 people. There's some people they came from Persia, some is Afghanistan and some people is India. After that 20,000 people they mix it and then this Taj Mahal is complete. So this is for the complete only 17 years. 17 only for this structure. After that all around area 5 years. So they took 22 years for the whole building complete. And this is for the top of the see the that is you see the symbol of the that is symbol of the Muslim for the half moon. You see वो दिख रहा है ना sir? Half moon. That's the symbol of the Islam. And then left side is a mosque. Then same copy for the right side is this guest house. Because in that time the people are coming for the royal people. And this is for the center point. They sit and then see the Taj Mahal. And then they do night stay over there. Because in that time no hotel, no restaurant, nothing. So they use for that one.
wood